This is the instructions for teaching, programming the Silux Control Seeker. We are assuming you have completed the process of connecting power and the general installation of the Seeker as discussed in the other Seeker videos. So let's begin. Step 1. Open the Silux Control app and go to Edit Devices as shown here. Choose the collected device in the menu which is located the closest to the Seeker you're wishing to teach or program. Then in that collector menu, press the pair button as shown here and then press OK. Always begin the teaching process with the collector beginning pairing first. Step 2. Then on the Seeker there is a Teach Program button located in the Seeker as shown here. Step 3. Press the Teach button. A green light will begin flashing next to the button. The program process must be completed within 30 seconds, otherwise it will automatically shut down the teaching programming process. This process should take a few seconds and the green light will stop flashing. Your device is now paired into the network. You have now completed the teaching programming process. You can now go to Add Devices, search for the serial number of this device, as the serial number will be located on the packaging box, and you should find the device there ready to install.